Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation while activating your Windows, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open the CMD. For that, you just need to click on start menu and type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on install. In this you need to copy paste two commands one by one. First you just need to copy this command, what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Right click on the top of the window, click on edit, click on paste and hit enter. And copy the second command and close this window and you have to open it again. Right click and run as administrator. Click on yes. After running the first command, the completion of this, you can see this type of dialog box. Just click on OK. Now copy the second command. Right click on the top of the window, click on edit, click on paste, then hit enter. Guys, here it will take some time. You have to wait for some time to complete this process. Then click OK and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way we can fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.